Welcome to this week's Joe Cooks. Hope everyone had a nice week. And yeah, ready for a bit of cooking? Here we go. This week we're going to be having a go at making baked cod and parsley sauce. Baked fish, perfect if you're on a diet and that. Bit of weight loss and that. I'm on one myself, so it's gone firmly back into my diet. Just a few ingredients. I've knocked a few calories out. We don't use any butter in that in this one. Beautiful, beautiful. Right. We'll go through the ingredients, a couple of bits of the equipment, and we'll crack on. First of all, you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. You're going to be using the oven with an oven tray, and you're going to be needing some tin foil and some baking paper. A couple of squares of each. And also, we're going to be using the hob today to make our sauce. Saucepan, medium to low heat, about 15 minutes. Really easy. What I'm going to be using is these Atlantic Cod Fillet from Iceland. 3 for a tenner. Cheapest out there. 3 bags for a tenner deal, sorry. Perfect, perfect. You get about 10 portions for a tenner, which you can't complain with fish, because it's really good for you. Quarter of a pint of milk, that's skim milk. A good spoonful of Greek yoghurt, fat-free Greek yoghurt, about 30 grams. There will be lists in the description as normal and that. Good spoon of cornflour, about 15-20 grams, salt and pepper, a couple of slices of lemon, and some chopped parsley. I've had this parsley plant a couple of weeks now. I've had a few good meals out of it and that. It's perfect, man, it's perfect. First of all, we're going to sort out our fish. So what we're going to take is our foil and our baking paper. We're just going to place the fish on it. We're just going to put it to one side for a minute. We're going to take the lemon, we're just going to cut 2 slices out of it, like that. Lush this man, lush. Bring the fish in, put them on the fish. Really simple man, really simple. With a pair of scissors, it's going to cut a couple of stems of our parsley off and put that on the top. Like that. How fresh does that look? How fresh does that look? Do you know what I mean? All budget gear and that, so you don't have to spend a fortune to eat healthy and that. We're just going to wrap it in a little parcel, put a seam along the top, put the ends up. We're going to put that on the oven tray, in the oven now, 20-25 minutes. We'll move on, we'll do our sauce. I'll bring this one in really quick, really quick. Sauce, really simple too, really simple. What I'll do is get a saucepan, and we're going to put about 3/4 of the milk in. We're just going to warm it up gently. That'll do, that'll do. So I've got mine on number 3. I'm going to put the lid on for a bit. It takes about 10 minutes to warm up. Well, that's fine, that's fine. In the meantime, what we're going to be doing is the remainder of the milk, we're going to put about 15 or 20 grams of cornflour. I say a tablespoon. This is a dessert spoon, so I'll put a dessert spoon in a little bit. That'll do for me. We'll give it a good whisk to make it in like a bit of a paste. And this parsley sauce isn't as thick and as luxurious as one that's made out of 50 grams of butter. It's about 80% of the way there. It's about 80% of the way there. And that's all you can wish for on a diet. You know, if you get 80% of the taste and 80% of the value on a diet, you're doing well, you're doing well. But while that's doing, we'll get our parsley prepared. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the plant, I'll rattle the bag down a bit, get a pair of scissors, I'm just going to cut off a few leaves. Good bit, good bit. There, that'll do for me. I'll get rid of that. And I'm just going to chop it up and put it to one side for when we come to use it. I say really easy. You'll probably do this one well within the time that the fish has got a chance to bake. And what's it been in now? 5-10 minutes? But yeah, we'll put this to one side. Once the milk's warmed up, we'll concentrate on getting the sauce finished, and we'll bring this one in. Well, milk's warmed up nicely now. It's just starting to bubble and that. I'm going to take the remaining milk with the cornflour. I'm going to give it a good whisk. take any bits off the bottom. That can go in. I'm going to go in with my wooden spoon. Just stir it until it starts turning a bit thick. Doesn't take long at all, so you've got to be on it, There, just starting to turn now, so I'm going to turn this right down now to number 1. I'm just going to let it cook out for about a minute. I'm going to go in with my salt and pepper. I nearly forgot this, like I do every week. Just a pinch of pepper, got a bit generous there, that'll do. Bit of salt. And keep it moving because it'll burn nice, it'll burn really easy. But look, lovely man, lovely thick sauce. Just cook out this flour a little bit. And what we're going to do, we're going to turn the heat off completely. We're going to go in with a good 1.5 spoons of Greek yoghurt, about 30 grams. Oh, look at that. Keep it stirring. If the ring's too hot, just pull it off completely and put it on this board here, and it can't cook any further, can it? So then we're going to go in with the parsley. Get it in. Oh, look at that, man. What a healthy meal. Give it a good stir. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a good clear it down, set a plate up. I'm going to cook some broccoli in the microwave, cook myself a bit of chunky bread, bring the plate in, and bring the video to an end. All that's left is to bring the plate in, and let's get this fish out. Wow, look at this. I'm having a quarter of a baguette, couple of 100 grams of broccoli, and this bad boy. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. It's a bit small, but it's fine. Parsley's seen a bit better days, but it's fine. We're covering sauce. And the star of the show, the parsley sauce. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. I'll put the calories on the screen and that. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you're liking my content, give us a thumbs up and that. Subscribe, share me videos and that. Tell us in the comments if you like me other stuff, the walking, the health and fitness talk, stuff like that. And yeah, be kind, stay safe, and I'll see you next week.